Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use Typealias instead of complex types in your project. I'm opening a Xcode playground. Deleting the str. So defining Typealias like that, for example, I'm going to give location and I'm defining a tuple. X comes also within the new type location. It's in the name, also it's alias of the types, and it's behaves like a nickname also, and it doesn't create any allocation like the variable, and also smaller than the variable. And you can also speed up your code base within the type aliases because of you have to define it in everywhere if you use it. For example, we're going to create a function within these types. Also, you can do it whatever you want. Yep, you see that, and the convert tuple function gets an argument which is new type location array, and also returns the location function. It takes from list the first and the last variables, and also list containers. As an addition, I'm going to define a JSON string, and the model is the user model within decodable type because I'm going to convert it. And also you see that there's an extension from a convert function. It's generic, and also returns type is that what we want. And also JSON string.convert provides us a generic response what we typed. You can also handle error in. We're going to see that. It will parse it, and also it printed TALİP for the name value. How can I also define the types like the Typealias? Let's see. As we mentioned it before, so I'm going to take it from here. Error will be maintained. So after it, it's going to take failure and error. It's going to get what we are going to make it like that. Maybe it can be useful for it. I don't know. How can I choose the variable names? Yeah, you see that. And also we use that success function as a generic type alias, and also there is a normal type alias with this failure. and our function became so clean. You can also clean up your types within the Typealias like I did in the video. Thanks for watching.